Tips and tricks, grammar usage of pronouns. Pronoun is one of the most important parts of speech, and proper understanding of its usage is required for attempting questions like spotting the errors from the section. Verbal ability, finding an error in a sentence, is a step-by-step process. Students must follow grammar rules while solving such type of questions. Let us understand the grammar usage rules for pronouns. Meaning: a pronoun is a word that replaces the noun in a sentence. Example: Donald Trump began his career with a loan of $1 million which he took from his mother. In this sentence, two pronouns have been used, which are he and his. Types: there are several kinds of pronouns, including personal pronoun. Example: he, they, she, it. Demonstrative pronouns. Example: that, this, these, those. Interrogative pronouns. Example: which, who. Indefinite pronouns. Example: many, everyone, everything, none, several, all, each, every. Possessive pronouns. Example: mine, his, your, their. Reciprocal pronouns. Example: each other, one another. Relative pronouns. Example: which, where, who, that. Reflexive pronouns. Example: itself, himself. Intensive pronouns. Example: itself, himself. Pronoun agreement. As we now know that pronouns stand in for nouns in a sentence, therefore pronouns follow the same agreement rules as nouns. So, when using a pronoun, it is important to be clear about what noun it is replacing. The first step in tackling a pronoun question is to locate and identify any pronouns in the sentence. Once you've found a pronoun in a sentence correction question, check whether it's acting as the subject or the object of the sentence or phrase. Subject I, object me. Subject he or she, object him or her. Subject we, object us. Subject they, object them. Subject who, object whom. Subject it, one, you, object it, one, you. Examples: he or she versus him or her. How could she blame you and he for the accident? This is wrong. The correct one is: how could she blame you and him for the accident? I versus me. John and me drank a bottle of wine. This is incorrect. The correct version is: John and I drank a bottle of wine. Therefore, you need to answer only two questions for correct usage of pronouns in a sentence, which is: are the forms of pronoun correct, and do they agree with the related nouns and other pronouns?